and then the hook will come naturally. Okay. So the power does not come from us going like this as hard as we can. There's no power in that.
那个没有力
Power
量。
comes from all of our torqued muscles releasing themselves. So everything gets tensed up here, our hip gets tensed up, our booty gets tensed up, our shoulders as well, and then it just unleashes kind of thing. So it's about momentum rather than raw strength.
惯例，不是那个，就是纯粹的力量，单纯的力量。
你们知道吗？Okay, so we're gonna hands up here. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Nice, beautiful. See you again. I want you to relax, okay?
放
Don't
松
try to
放
do the
松。
punch too much. Okay, so where this is going wrong is you've gone 1, beautiful, 2, beautiful, but you've already started coming back, and then you're trying to hook. There shouldn't be any breaks in the movement. So it's 1 movement, 2 movement, 3rd movement. Okay? At the moment, what I'm seeing is 1, 2, hesitate, 3. Okay? So
Do
it's
it
good.
all together.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ba, ba, ba. Okay. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Better. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay. So, for the purpose of this practice, we're just going to hold our hands for each other, okay? So, you're going to take turns going for his hands, and it's going to look like this, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. So your hands go ba, ba, ba. Okay, one more. Ba, ba, ba. One more. Ba, ba, ba. Beautiful. Let's try that again. Hands up. Ba.